Hi guys, welcome to my page. Welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. What are we cooking today? We are cooking fried rice. It's so easy, simple step. Just vegetable oil, onions, veggies. Yes, we are adding curry and thyme, and combination of mixture of pepper. Yes, combination of mixture of pepper. And the next thing we are doing now, we are going to add bell pepper. This is optional depending on how you like your fried rice to taste. I love my fried rice to taste spicy. Yes, so we added our prawns. Yes, and this is our liver. So we're going to add nut cube. No cube that I mentioned is optional. I just love using no cube. You can use Maggi of your choice. So as you can see, we already had our rice. I've already washed the rice, so we are stirring it so that all the ingredients can penetrate. Yes, can penetrate before we add our stock meat. Yes, after adding our stock meat as well, we are going to stir hot together before adding water and salt. Then we leave it for some minutes to cook. Before you know it, our fried rice is ready. Guys, if I just joined my page, kindly comment on my page. Yes, kindly comment. Kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comments keep me going. It encourages me to do more. You can as well comment in the comment section, or tell us how you cook your own fried rice in the comment section. You can as well try this step. Yes, because we have various ways of cooking fried rice. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.